Greetings listeners and welcome to Milan Phones. Today we are going to take a look at SE Electronics V7X, which is a studio dynamic microphone used for recording instruments. So let's get this started. It should be super cardioid pattern, so let me start by talking straight into the microphone from the front, then turning it 90 degrees, talking into it from its side, and then talking into it from its back. So right now the microphone is facing you, which you should never do. This is how the microphone handles off axis rejection, and the most rejected sounds should be about from this kind of degree. It's about 135 degrees. So yeah, that's the point where it should reject most of my voice. Let's move on to the handling noise test. So let me just switch my hands from left to right, from left to right, and back to left, and back to right. So this is how the microphone sounds when I'm switching my hands. Next, I'll just tap onto the side of the microphone along its body. It's not too noisy for me, but you should probably hear it kinda a lot. Now to the side of the capsule and to the front of the capsule, and just run my nail around it. Yeah, so this is how it just makes the noise when handling it, so be careful. And it probably, and most probably, will be represented even when using an arm for it. So if you're just trying to use it as a studio microphone, you better not move it too much. Let's move on to the Plosives test. So right now, the microphone is about 10 centimeters away from my mouth, which is about 4 to 5 inches. And let me say the most famous sentence you probably all of you know. Please bring pizza pronto. 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 Please bring. Please. Bring, please. So this was a Plosives test. I don't know how this scored, so let's hope for the best. But you know, it's instrumental mic, so it probably was way worse than other microphones which we have tested here. One of the other tests you would probably like to see is a proximity effect test. So right now I'm talking to the microphone from about 10 centimeters away. This is how this microphone sounds from about 5 centimeters away, which is about 2 to 3 inches. This is how the microphone sounds from about 20 centimeters away, which is about 8 inches for all you American guys. And this is how the microphone sounds from the length of my arm. So if you really need to start yelling, then use the microphone like this. So as you all know, you would probably like to hear another test, which is a keyboard test using my lovely MX Blue switches right there on my G710 Logitech keyboard. So right now the microphone is about 10 centimeters away from my mouth and about 40 centimeters away from the keyboard. Let me switch onto the Sublime Text and let's just start typing some gibberish down and pretend that I'm really typing some normal words and not some SSAs, DSS, DFGHY, yeah, some kinds of those words. There was some clean feed of the sound. So actually, I really like how this microphone sounds. It's my daily driver now, and I really enjoy using it. So if you're looking for a good microphone that can handle both your voice and instruments, to use this. It also has its another member of the family, which is a normal V7, SE Electronics V7, and that's supposed to be used for normal human voices, but I actually liked the frequency chart of this one a little better because it doesn't have the dips in the 7K for syllables, and it also was a lot straighter into the bass region. So I picked this one and I really like it, even though the syllables are kinda killing me if I listen to it for a long time. Anyway, if you like this video, then I hope you press the like button down below and let us know what kind of microphone you would like to see next. Until next time, have a nice day.